Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I am going to show you 5 CapCut video editing tips to help you create viral YouTube videos. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. At first we have the animated titles. Animated titles can grab attention whether it's to start your video or highlight important details like location, names or event. To do this, first import your clip into CapCut, head over to text section, then in text templates where you will find tons of pre-made animated titles. Simply drag and drop the ones you like. Then edit the text and size from here. Customize further by changing fonts, adding shadows, adjusting colors or applying glow effects. You can even find animated content info templates to showcase phone number professionally. Next up we have facecam overlay. You have seen this effect in top YouTube videos, a facecam overlay on a screen recording. Here's how to do it. First, add your screen recording to your timeline. Now import your facecam video and resize it to where it fits. Next, select the facecam clip and go to mask section. Choose a shape like circle, rectangle and adjust it to frame your face perfectly. If you want something unique, try fun mask shapes like heart or stars from here. And that's it, your overlay is ready. And next up we have text animation. Text animation make your content more engaging and professional. Here's how to do it. Add a text layer, rename it and change the font if needed. Enhance it with extra effects like glow, background or shape or shadow for a polished look. Now go to animation tab. In animations are for how to the text appears, out animations for how text disappears, loop animations are for continuous movement. Adjust the animation speed using the duration slider. Shorter is equal to faster, longer is equal to these steps and your text will pop like a pro. Next up we have color correction. Good color grading can transform your video's quality. Here's how to get the perfect look. Add your clip and go to adjustment and add a new adjustment layer. Tweak the settings based on lighting and quality. This varies for each video. Save your color grade as a preset for future use. If you want a quick fix, use pre-made LUTs. Go to adjustment, LUTs, import the LUTs and select the LUT file. You can find some of these on my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description. Apply it to your clip, make minor adjustments and boom, professional color grading done. At last we have the split screen animation. A split screen effect is a great way to show multiple clips at once. Here how to do it. Import your clips and stack them on top of each other. Select the top two clips and go to mask, split mask, rotate them to 90 degrees and adjust so the right parts are visible. Add to animation and apply motion effects to make them dynamic. If you see rough edges, go back to the mask setting and increase the feathering for a smooth transition. And that's a wrap. So these were 5 video editing tips to help you create viral YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing content in the future. And also follow me on Instagram for more updates or any questions. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.